Okay, I'll just show you how to set the Sat-Nav in this 2014 Audi Q7. So from any screen into Nav, Nav's the button, the top button on the left here, and you see their destination at the bottom. Each corner of the screen corresponds to the buttons here. Obviously top left is there, bottom left is there. It says destination there, so we need the bottom left button. Click the bottom left button. Got address, select address, and then we'll just turn the rotary control up to postcode. It's a rotary wheel. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR. Now, in order to select numbers, you need to press 0 to 9 is in the bottom right hand corner, so we'll click that, and then we're 5, 4, it defaults back to letters, J, S, PR5, 4JS. You can add a street or start route guidance. I just want to start route guidance. So up to start route guidance with the rotary control, click. Those are all the settings.
Your route is being calculated. Please follow the road for 1 mile.
That's it, that's how you set the Sat-Nav. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Audi Q7. So from any screen, you've got telephone here, you've got menu there. So if we go into telephone, it says there search for a new mobile device, but in the bottom right hand corner here, you've got settings. So the bottom right hand corner corresponds to this bottom right hand button there. So there you've selected settings, you've got telephone settings, Bluetooth and LAN settings. So down to Bluetooth, click on Bluetooth, and you've there got Bluetooth. Now if you're having problems pairing, just make sure that that's set to on there, and then you've got Bluetooth audio player, which you can select, find Bluetooth devices, bonded Bluetooth devices, that's what we want. So we'll click on there, and you see my phone, Barry's phone. Select Barry's phone, and then the menu comes up, delete Bluetooth device, hands-free or audio player. So if I delete that, do you really want to delete? Yes. That's it, gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Audi Q7. From any screen, you see there, that's the Sat-Nav. So from any screen, you can either click to menu and then navigate to telephone, or just click telephone. So we click telephone, and it comes up here, search for new mobile. There's no phones connected, so search for new mobile. We need to make sure Bluetooth is switched on, which it is now, and then we need to be watching at the bottom. So search for new mobile, click, and then continue. You see there, it's already shown up there, but we'll wait for it to come onto the screen. There you go, Barry's iPhone. So click select there, hands-free, select, connections being established, and does it match? Yes, it does. So pair, click yes to accept. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. I won't be using the car again, so I'll put no there. It's already got 4 telephones connected, so I mean I can ignore that. But that's it. It's phones connected. Another great thing with this system is if we go to music, look at the bottom here. I'll just turn that down actually. If you look at the bottom, the red triangle with the 3 red circles, if I click on that, you'll see that Audi MMI is selected. So when I play this, it will come through. So I've just tried to turn everything up, including the cigarette lighter. So if I turn that up and we go to media, you'll see there the media, you've got jukebox and Barry's iPhone there. So we're selecting Barry's iPhone as the source, and you see there it's showing the track that's playing. Now then, if I then turn this up and we go to, I can't play this for long, otherwise I'll get a copyright strike, but it's got both speakers, which I probably didn't mention before, and it's a fantastic sound system in this car, so you certainly won't be disappointed. It's a great vehicle all round.